Yep. All right. So these are the osteons right here, the major circles. Then we have the central canal. And then the concentric lamellae are the circles inside of the circles. So there would be like the tree rings. And then we have the interstitial lamellae, which are in between all the osteons. And then we have the circumferential lamellae, which surround the whole bone, so not part of an osteon. We have an osteocyte, which are the little dots inside of the lamellae. And then we have some more over here that you can see the side. And then canaliculi are little lines that go out from the central canal to the outer rings. And then the perforating canal are where the blood vessels go across the osteons. And then we have the endosteum, which is the inner lining of the bone, and the outer lining of the bone is the periosteum.